Well, that was fun and exciting and unexpected. I told Ashley, I'm going to follow you because she kind of knows Animal Kingdom a little bit better than me. But I'm planning, okay, we're going to breakfast. And then she makes a right-hand turn. It was like a 5-minute wait. It said 10. It wasn't even that. So that was fun. And I hope you all enjoyed the quick little spin on the GoPro. Ow! She just smacked my hand. I hope you all enjoyed it on the GoPro really fast. She got a jacket, so she's super excited because it is cold. So we're gonna ride it later. I don't know if I'll film it unless we sit in like the very, very front. But I thought our angle, row 9, was pretty awesome. So now we're gonna eat. She's tapping on me like a little kid. What do you need? The little footprints? Oh, she's obsessed with these little footprints. So now we're gonna eat, and I see monkeys flying around, so let's go see some monkeys.
I think he is. Oh, no, there's another one. There's a little guy walking around. I've never seen one 8:30. They don't look at you. Should do a video.
So cute. Those monkeys were awesome, especially when they started yelling or talking or however you want to say what they were doing. And the sounds they make, the low pitch followed by the high pitch, that was really something cool, and I'm glad we got to see that. So we are headed, we just had breakfast at Yak and Yeti, are right next to us, a local cafe. We're headed to a DCA classic that is no longer there, so we have to ride it. We're headed toward It's Tough to Be a Bug. Ankylosaur. Pelicans. Yep.
So if you want to exit during our show, please do so to the doors on the left, and the cast member will be happy to assist you. As a processing for our broadcast, we can be out of
Jenny, you just missed it. You said hi to her. You did? I do. It's in my backpack. You want some chocolate? He loves chocolate. That's awesome. Yeah, I was looking at you. I'm living. You like so missed the spot.
You know, the best part about It's Tough to Be a Bug is that the theater is inside of the Tree of Life. It is underneath. So as you are walking down, you can see all of the concrete carved animals. You get an up close look at the Tree of Life. And we also got really lucky when we walked out there. Kevin goes walking by. A 10-foot tall bird goes walking by. You don't get to see that very often. So we have a few more minutes till our fast pass. I moved it up a little bit, so hopefully we can maybe go over, check out Africa a little more. Since we didn't do anything last year, it was too hot. We just did a couple rides and we left. So it's cold. Today is the day to get stuff done. Well, that was fun. Sitting in the front row. Oh, we already did it once today, but sitting in the front row, that was a lot of fun, especially when you're going through the darkness, going backwards. You really get whipped going down those drops. Whew, I kind of like the front. I think the front and back I equally like, but for different reasons. But we had fun. Now we're gonna head into Africa, check out and see what Africa has to offer, because last time we were here, it was way too hot to do anything out here, just like it would have been in Africa. So we're not doing the Kali River Rapids. Oh, there's more monkeys. Let's see what they're doing.
Do you actually get wet? Hey, qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
The size of it, Mom.
Is it a baby?
So those last couple of clips are from the Maharaja Jungle Trek. So the tiger and the tree monitor can be found inside of there. They also have other animals, but there weren't very many out because it is so cold. And also sometimes it got a little too crowded to get a good shot of something. And I'm not one to try to stand in front of a little kid just to get a perfect shot. So that's why there's very few, that's why there's very few animal shots from those. But those are the two best that I could get, the monitor lizard and the tiger. Now they said that the tigers get their own space. They have two of them. They get their own space, so they seem lonely because they're trying to play by themselves. But was it three? Oh, one had the smaller area. But they keep them separate just so they don't have any problems. Or they have a male, a female, and then a younger teenage one. But they don't want the male and female to breed unless they set it up, you know, purposely. So that's why they keep them separate and in their individual habitats. So we're headed finally into Africa. Don't know if we'll go check out Rafiki's. I want to, but only in about a half hour we have the safari. So it might get a little too time crunch. We'll see.
Siéntense hasta atrás, pegados al respaldo de la banca. Y por favor, vigilen a los niños. Gracias.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express with service to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures, from the affection section, where you can get up close and personal with domesticated animals like goats, sheep, and more, to sneak peeks at animal care and action at our veterinary.
What's up, buddy? What's up, old man? Hi. Hi.